Welcome back, friends! In today's video, we are going to dig deeper into the world of graphics design and provide you with different ways to get started into the world of graphics design. So, let's get started. So what is graphics designing? Graphic design is the practice of creating visual content using elements such as typography, images, colors, and layouts to communicate messages or convey information. It is a broad field that encompasses various mediums and applications, including print design, digital design, branding, web design, illustration, and more. Graphic designers use their creativity, artistic skills, and technical knowledge to develop visual solutions that effectively communicate a specific message or evoke a desired response from the audience. They work with clients or companies to understand their objectives, target audience, and branding guidelines to create designs that align with their vision. Graphic designers typically use software tools such as Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, and others to create their designs. They may work as freelancers, in-house designers for companies, or as part of design agencies. Overall, graphic design plays a crucial role in visually communicating ideas, promoting products or services, and creating memorable experiences for the audience. Starting a graphic design business can be an exciting venture. Here are some steps to help you get started. Develop your skills. Ensure you have a strong foundation in graphic design. Improve your skills in areas such as typography, color theory, layout design, and software proficiency, example, Adobe Creative Suite. Define your niche. Determine the specific area of graphic design you want to focus on. This could include branding, web design, print design, illustration, or any other specialization that interests you. Create a portfolio. Build a diverse and visually appealing portfolio that showcases your best work. Include a variety of projects that highlight your skills and demonstrate your range of abilities. If you don't have client work yet, create mock projects to showcase your abilities. Establish your brand. Develop a strong brand identity for your business, including a logo, color palette, and visual style that reflects your design aesthetic. Ensure your brand aligns with your target audience and the type of design work you want to attract. Set up your workspace. Create a dedicated workspace that is conducive to creativity and productivity. Invest in the necessary hardware and software, such as a powerful computer, design software, and relevant tools for your chosen specialization. Determine your pricing, research industry standards, and determine how much to charge for your services. Consider factors such as your level of expertise, the complexity of the project, and the market demand. You can charge an hourly rate or set project-based prices. Build a network. Attend design-related events, join professional organizations, and engage with other designers to build connections and expand your network. Networking can lead to potential clients and collaborations. Create a website. Establish an online presence by creating a professional website. Showcase your portfolio, provide information about your services, and include a contact page for inquiries. Ensure your website is visually appealing and easy to navigate. Market your business. Develop a marketing strategy to promote your graphic design services. Utilize online platforms such as social media, design communities, and freelance job boards to reach potential clients. Consider offering free resources or tutorials to demonstrate your expertise and attract attention. Provide excellent customer service, deliver high-quality work, and provide exceptional customer service to your clients. This will help you build a positive reputation and generate referrals, which can be a significant source of new business. Remember that starting a business takes time and effort. Be patient, continue to learn and improve your skills, and adapt to the evolving design industry. With dedication and perseverance, you can establish a successful graphic design business. If you liked this video, please don't forget to click the thumbs up icon. Consider subscribing as well and click the bell icon for more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching.